The preamble to the Bill of Rights. The conventions of a number of the states, having at a time of their adopting the Constitution, expressed a desire, in order to prevent misconstruction or abuse of its powers, that further declaratory and restrictive clauses should be added, and as extending the ground of public confidence in the government will best ensure the beneficent ends of its institutions. Resolved by the Senate and House of Representatives of the United States of America and Congress assembled, 2/3 of both houses concurring, that the following articles be proposed to the legislatures of several states as amendments to the Constitution of the United States, all or any of which articles, when ratified by 3/4 of the said legislatures, to be valid to all intents and purposes as part of the Constitution. Articles in addition to an amendment of the Constitution of the United States of America, proposed by Congress and ratified by the legislatures of several states, pursuant to the 5th article of the original Constitution. That's on you, dear.
Amendment 1. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. Second Amendment. A well-regulated militia, being necessary to security of free state, the right of all people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. Third Amendment. No soldier shall, in any time of peace, be quartered in any house without the consent of the owner, nor in time of war, but in manner to prescribe by law. Fourth Amendment. The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrant shall issue but upon probable cause supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. Fifth Amendment. No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless on a presentiment or indictment of grand jury, except in any cases arising in the land or naval forces or in the militia, when in actual service in time of war or public danger, nor shall any person be subject for the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb, nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself, nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation.
All right, this is the 6th Amendment. In all criminal prosecutions, the accused shall enjoy the right to a speedy and public trial before the jury of the state and district wherein crime shall have been committed, which district shall have been previously ascertained by the law to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation, to be confronted with the witnesses against him, to have compulsory process for obtaining witnesses in his favor, and to have the assistance of counsel for his defense. The 7th Amendment. In suits at common law where the value and controversy shall exceed $20, the right of trial by jury shall be reserved, and no fact tried by a jury shall be otherwise re-examined in any court of the United States than according to the rules of the common law. Amendment 8, excessive bail should not be required, nor excessive fines imposed, nor cruel or unusual punishments inflicted. Amendment 9, the enumeration of the Constitution of certain rights shall not be construed to deny, disparage others retained by the people. Amendment 10, the powers not delegated to the United States by the Constitution nor prohibited by it to the states are reserved to the states respectively or to the people. The Bill of Rights.
Thank you. Woo!